Hello friends, good morning. Today I am going to explain to you question number 29 of partnership. Change in profit sharing ratio. A and B are partners in a firm sharing profit in the ratio of 3:2 on March 31st, 2016. Their balance sheet show a general reserve of rupees 54,000. On that date, they decided to admit C as a new partner. The new profit sharing ratio between A, B and C will be 4:3:2. Record the necessary journal entry. Record the necessary journal entry in the books of firm under the following circumstances. When they want to transfer the general reserve in their capital ratio, and when they do not want to transfer general reserve in their capital account and prefer to record the adjustment entry for the same. फर्स्ट केस हमारे पास क्या लिख रहा है, क्वेश्चन नंबर 29 लिख रहा है when they want to transfer general reserve balance general reserve account debit to A's capital account and to B's capital account in old ratio, that is 3:2, 54,000 divided by 3 are distributed between A and B in the ratio of 3:2. 3:2. 54,000 into 3 divided by 5 are equal to 32,400 into 2 divided by 3 are equal to 21,600. Second case, when they do not distribute balance in reserve and such reserve are adjusted with capital, in such a case such reserve are distributed between the partner in gaining and sacrificing ratio. How to calculate? A, B and C are partner sharing profit and loss in the ratio of 3:2, 3/5, 2/5. They decided to admit C as a new partner and the revised profit sharing ratio are 4:3:2, 4/9, 3/9, 2/9. हमने पिछले वीडियो में बताया न्यू रेशियो माइनस ओल्ड रेशियो इक्वल टू गेन और सैक्रिफाइस. अगर फिगर पॉजिटिव में आता है तो गेन और फिगर नेगेटिव में आता है तो सैक्रिफाइस. 4/9 माइनस 3/5 इक्वल टू 45 एलसीएम. 5 4s are 20, 9 3s are 27 are equal to 7/45 minus means sacrifice. 3/9 minus 2/5 LCM 45. 5 3s are 15 minus 18 are equal to 3/45 minus sacrifice 2/9 or 10/45. It is your gain. बैलेंस इन रिजर्व कितना सैक्रिफाइस किया इन दोनों ने? 10/45. और गेन कितना हो गया? तो 10/45 शेयर ऑफ रिजर्व 54,000 इंटू 10/45. 54,000 इंटू 10 डिवाइडेड बाई 45 आर इक्वल टू 12,000. Gaining partners capital are debited. C's capital account to A's capital account to B's capital account. Balance in reserve are adjusted with capital in their sacrificing ratio. 12 into 7 divided by 10 are equal to 8,400. 8,400 into 3 divided by 7 are equal to 3,600. फिर मैं बता दूं फ्रेंड आपको, बैलेंस रिजर्व और प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस अकाउंट में जो भी बैलेंस होगा उसे पार्टनर किस रेशियो में बांट लेगा? ओल्ड रेशियो में. लेकिन अगर क्वेश्चन स्पेसिफाई करता है बैलेंस इन प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस अकाउंट और रिजर्व आर not distributed between the partner, in such a case such balances are adjusted with capital in their gaining and sacrificing ratio. अगर कैपिटल से एडजस्ट करने के लिए कह रहा है, इसका मतलब वो किसके थ्रू एडजस्ट होगा? गेनिंग और सैक्रिफाइसिंग. गेनिंग पार्टनर्स कैपिटल आर डेबिटेड एंड सैक्रिफाइसिंग पार्टनर्स कैपिटल आर credited. Thank you friends.